If you're over 70, these 3 clothing choices could be affecting your health. Here's what to avoid. As we age, our bodies go through changes that make comfort and functionality in clothing more important than ever. But did you know that some common clothing choices could be silently causing discomfort, limiting mobility, and even posing health risks? For those over 70, staying mindful of what you wear isn't just about fashion. It's about maintaining safety, comfort, and well-being. Surprisingly, some everyday wardrobe staples could actually be working against your health and happiness. Here's a look at 3 types of clothing items you might want to reconsider, and why making a few simple adjustments can be life-changing. 1. Tight or restrictive clothing. Tight clothing, especially around the waist and legs, can limit circulation, which is especially important to consider as we age. When blood flow is restricted, it can lead to discomfort, numbness, and even more serious issues, such as swelling or deep vein thrombosis (DVT). Tight belts, jeans, or restrictive undergarments may feel familiar, but over time, they can take a toll on your health. Instead, choose looser, breathable fabrics that allow movement without restriction. Look for elastic waistbands or adjustable garments that provide a more relaxed fit and enable natural blood flow. 2. Slippery or unstable shoes. The right footwear is essential for maintaining balance and reducing the risk of falls, which is a major concern for people over 70. Wearing shoes with smooth soles or flimsy support can increase the risk of slipping, especially on smooth or wet surfaces. Shoes that lack adequate arch support or cushioning can also contribute to foot pain, joint strain, and even back issues. To keep yourself steady on your feet, opt for shoes with non-slip soles, secure fastenings, and sturdy arch support. Look for styles with a wider base for stability and extra cushioning to make every step more comfortable and safe. 3. Heavy or bulky layers. Bulky, heavy fabrics may seem cozy, but they can restrict movement, causing discomfort and fatigue. Thick layers can make it hard to move freely, and they often lead to overheating, which can be risky, especially for seniors who may have a harder time regulating body temperature. Instead, try layering with lighter, breathable fabrics like cotton or moisture-wicking materials. A few lighter layers can keep you warm without the weight, allowing you to add or remove layers as needed for comfort. Simple solutions for a healthier wardrobe. Keeping these tips in mind when choosing clothes can make all the difference in how you feel and move through your day. After all, feeling good in what you wear isn't just about style. It's about enhancing your quality of life. By avoiding these 3 types of clothing and opting for more comfortable, safe, and practical alternatives, you're making a choice to support your health, mobility, and confidence every day.